Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/@bestadvancedsoftware1891. Today we will discuss 10 best business plan software solutions with buying guides and reviews. Effective business planning is crucial for success and the right software can streamline the process. Various software solutions are available, each offering unique features and benefits. Here are the 10 best business plan software solutions to help you strategize and achieve your business goals. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, Life Plan. Let's know its features. Streamlines business planning templates, simplify financial projects, collaborative features add team coordination, real-time financial tracking ensure accurate performance monitoring. Number 2, BizPlan. Let's know its features. BizPlan offer intuitive financial modeling for accurate business forecasting. Collaborative tools simplify key contributions to the business plan. Access to a library of sample plan adds idea development. Number 3, InLoop. Let's know its features. InLoop simplifies business planning, adding startup in strategic development. It provides financial forecasting tools, supporting accurate budgeting and projection. InLoops offer friendly interface, streamline the process of creating business plan. Number 4, Tarkan Tone Go Small Biz. Let's know its feature. Tarkan Tone Go Small Biz offer comprehensive business consulting and support service. It provides access to valuable resource for small business growth, offers expert guidance and business education. Number 5, Palo Alto Software. Let's know its features. Streamline business planning for fostering better decision making and goal setting. Provide a user-friendly platform even for individuals with limited teach skills. Offer a vast library of resources for learning and guidance. Number 6, UpMatrix. Let's know its features. UpMatrix streamlines business planning, enhancing efficiency and saving time. Its user-friendly interface simplifies financial forecasting for business and startups. Offer real-time collaboration, promoting team communication. Number 7, Wise Business Plans. Let's know its features. Customize expertly tailored business plans to meet specific needs. Experience with a wide range of industries and business types. In-depth market research and financial analysis for informed decision making. Dedicating customers support and timely delivery of business plan. Number 8, Biz Filings. Let's know its features. Streamlines business formation, reducing administrative burdens for business. Offer expert guidance, ensuring proper compliance with legal requirements. Provide access to registered agent service for efficient document handling. Number 9, StratePad. Let's know its features. User-friendly interface enhances ease of strategic planning for business. Offer a variety of financial tools and templates for precise forecasting. Provide access to a vast resource library for strategy development. Number 10, iPlanner. Let's know its features. simplifies task organization, enhancing productivity and time management for users. Offers collaborative features allowing multiple users to coordinate and plan together. Integrate with calendars and reminders for efficient scheduling and tracking. Thanks for watching. Join us on our officially website www.bestadvancedsoftware.com. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891.